From early this morning, emergency officials were on site at Oistins working on the final stages of the oil spill cleanup operation. Minister of Energy and Business Senator Lisa Cummins is reassuring Barbadians that government is committed to ensuring a thorough cleanup.
And we don't finish until we're finished. So we're not walking away just because the immediacy of it has passed. We remain still on the ground. Even if you don't hear from us constantly, we will be putting out information subsequently by way of the media, you as our partners, keeping you updated as the process comes to an end. It does not end today. The teams will tell you that, what the process it's going to involve, but it will continue over the next few days because, as I said before, it's not done until it's done and completely cleaned up and there's no residue of oil.
Crude oil was discovered leaking near the Barbados National Energy Company Limited's facility in Oistins early Friday morning. As a result, emergency officials sprung into action to contain the spill. Their efforts were successful and the majority of the oil was recovered before sunset. BNECL's Group Health and Safety Manager, Damian Kathleen, says investigations revealed there was no leakage overnight and the water is now significantly clearer in the marine outfall. However, the strategic cleanup plan is ongoing.
We've brought forward an interim dam into the marine outfall to push our contaminated material further in, and that allows us now to start concentrating the sand that we can remove. So with assistance from the MTW and NCC, we've been removing some of the contaminated sand from the outfall. This is what you see going on behind me. And we have begun the flush, well, once more started the flushing process. So we have gone by our facility north and we've started to flush down. To get, as the Minister would have said, all of the residues out of the subterranean drains that lead to the marine outfall, because we want to get all of it out.
And Barbadians are being assured a triple-layer mechanism has been put in place to prevent any oil residue from slipping into the sea.
So the berm we used would have been clean sand from the shore. We packed it up and then we reinforced it with, so we used the sargassum that had washed up. It's our benefit. So we use that to compact the seaward side of the berm because the sea tends not to wash away the sargassum as fast. So then seaward of that, of the sargassum, we then laid 2 layers of absorbent boom. Should anything come out, seep through our boom, through the outfall, through the berm, through the sargassum, the boom is there to catch that.
Mr. Kathleen says the cleanup operation will not be called off until experts are satisfied. Anesta Henry, CBC News.